welcome back to Basic IT Skills. Today we're going to talk about PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a software that allows you to create presentations, slideshows, and other items as well. So it is part of the Microsoft Office suite, which is a paid application suite that you do have to purchase. So we're just going to get started. Here we go. So I have PowerPoint on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and double click on it. All right, and so we're going to get a screen like this. You know, when you first launch PowerPoint, you're going to see a couple of features. You got the home, new, open, basically also some templates here, and a quick start guide. I would recommend to take the tour of PowerPoint if this is your first time ever looking at it. So I'm going to show you how we can start with a blank presentation, how we're going to use a template. All right, so we'll get started. So I'm going to go ahead and click on blank presentation. As you can see, it kind of pre-fills out certain areas where you can add your title, some subtitles, and as you can tell, there are some menu bars up here that allows you to format your presentation. So we're going to go ahead and just start typing basic IT skills. Learning everyday computer skills. So that's my title. And now I can go ahead and change this background here if I wanted to any kind of color. I can do texture. So go ahead and right click and it says format background. So go ahead and click on that. And we can do gradient fill, we can do a texture, add picture, you can even do kind of patterns, you know, different things like that. So let's go, we did that right here. I'm going to go ahead and fix that here, new slide right here, and basically start typing. So let's go next slide. Learning PowerPoint. And you can go ahead and change the background once more. We can format, you can do so many different things if you wanted to build it from scratch. But I recommend if you're new to PowerPoint to use a template that's already pre-filled. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on File. We're going to go ahead and click on New. And all these are different templates we can use. So as you can see, there's an education template, you know, about like anything to do with kind of education. You can go back, we have diagrams that you can use, and all these will actually pre-fill the whole presentation for you. So I'm just going to actually go back and look at this one. So if I went to themes, there's this tech one here, the design here, I'm going to double click on that. All right, now as you can tell, it pre-fills everything for us right here. So I'm going to go ahead and just start typing away. So basic, so let's get rid of this, show you how easy this is to do. So basic IT skills, right? And here we go, learning everyday computer skills. All right, let's go. That's our first page. Look at that. I mean, as you can tell, it was very easy because everything's pre-filled. I just kind of entered what my text, my customized text. Let's go to the next page here. All right, so we can come here and we'll go, just call this maybe software, you know? And as you can tell, these are images. So we can actually change these images. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to go ahead and click on the little picture icon from File. Okay, and I should be able to, I created a folder on my desktop called PowerPoint. I added some pre-loaded images, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and select this Google image icon. It's for Gmail, so I'm going to double click on it. I'm going to change this right here to Gmail. And we'll go to the next one. We'll get rid of this picture. We'll add another one. From File, I'm going to use Word. And I'm just going to change this right here. All right, and finally, last one, I'm going to delete that. I'm going to go ahead and add another picture. Powerful. Look at that. So we have first slide, second slide. Let's go to our third one. Let's call this computer skills. As you can see, it's really easy, really fast because it's all done for us. Let's get rid of this image and we're going to go ahead and select one of these options here. I'm going to go ahead and click on pictures. I'm going to select this one. Now it gives you some design ideas if you want to actually follow it, and you can look at that and it'll actually fix it for you. You don't want to go in there and adjust, but I'm just going to take these out here, grab that like that, bring it down, and that's it. So our third slide is done. Okay, so we're going to click on our fourth slide here. We're going to change this. Let's call this careers. Information technology. Okay, and the first one, I guess, got the help desk. And we'll have this one as an engineer position. Call this information security, and we'll call this programmer. Right, so that's our fourth slide, careers in information technology, help desk support, information security, programmer. And finally, your thank you slide. You can add any kind of information you want on there. And that's it, and you're done. Your presentation is complete. As you can tell, because we used a pre-filled template, it went pretty fast. Again, these are only 5 slides. I mean, sometimes you'll have 20, 15, just depends on what your presentation is going to be about. Now, if you want to watch your slide, you're going to have these menu bars, these up here. You're going to click on slideshow. You want to go ahead and hit play from beginning. And this is how it would be if you were presenting this. If you were in a boardroom, if you're at a conference, if you were at a wedding party and you wanted to show some pictures, you could just go ahead and start the show. You can either click on the mouse or the keyboard to move to the next slide, or you can actually set timings which will automatically move. So it's, like I said, there's really nice features with PowerPoint, but we're going to just do it. We're going to go ahead and hit enter. Takes me to the next one. I'm talking about it. The software we Gmail, Word, and PowerPoint. Go ahead, next one, computer skills. That was the image we put in there. Also, our other one, careers in information technology, help desk support, information security, programmer. Thank you. You can leave some basic information for the people who are watching so they can write down your information. And then at the end of the slide, it takes you back to your project here. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you would create your presentation. Again, this was just a real quick overview. I would recommend doing the tour just to kind of get familiarized with PowerPoint. And there's a help feature. There's just so many different things you can do with PowerPoint to make a presentation unique to yourself. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and subscribe, leave any comments or questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.